Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to activity number 2 for today. So what you're going to do is you are going to first click the microphone button to record your work, and then it says on this card up at the top left-hand corner, it says, place 4 red trapezoids together. What shape can you make? So you're going to click the 3 dots. You're going to click on this shapes. You're going to go find the trapezoid. So there it is, okay? Once you have one of them, if you click these 3 dots and click the plus sign, it's going to make a copy of it. So there's 2 of them, and how many do we need? We need 4. So we're going to do that again. Now we have 3, and then we're going to do it one more time to make 4. So here is where you can rotate them up at the top. Maybe. There we go. Oh, I think I rotated it too much. Now, so now I'm going to have to come. Let's do it here. So I can put it here. Alright. I wonder if I'd be able to fit anything over there. Maybe not. Maybe if I did this. Ooh, what shape does that make? A hexagon. Good. Then, wonder. I'm gonna put that there. Kinda. And really, you can design whatever you want. Here. Oh my goodness, almost. I thought for a minute there it was going to look like a fish, but now it kind of looks like an arrow pointed that way. So you can design whatever you want with your 4 trapezoids. And then down here it says, place 3 triangles together. What shape can you make? So you're going to come to here, click on shapes, find the triangle, click off, and then you need, there's 1. Now there's 2, and now there's 3. So keep them the same size. All you have to do is rotate them and place them together, and you should be able to make a new shape using those. When you're done, come up here and click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.